Wood processing isn't about brute force. It's about smart design, control, and efficiency. These machines prove that the best solutions are built to work, not to impress. Take a look at this DIY legend. A handcrafted wood knife built with pure ingenuity. It's impressive how a simple idea can turn into a practical tool, making you rethink how many everyday problems can be solved with creativity. Innovation like this never gets old. This tractor-mounted screw splitter doesn't mess around. Frozen logs, twisted rounds, hard grain it bites in and tears them apart smoothly and steadily. No wrestling, no wasted effort. Spin it up and let the machine do the heavy work. Pure power, clean results, every time. The JBM-SIX-TC isn't just powerful, it's dependable. With 60 tons of force, it splits thick hardwood like it's nothing. The hydraulic system keeps every push steady and controlled, delivering a smooth workflow and clean results. This is the kind of machine you trust all season long. This compact DIY splitter is built for consistency and control. A thick steel blade bites straight through hardwood without drama, while the engine setup keeps everything stable from start to finish. It's not about speed or spectacle, just reliable, repeatable cuts for everyday firewood. Practical, dependable, built to last. This setup doesn't just cut wood, it streamlines the entire workflow. Logs go in, the blade delivers clean, precise cuts with less waste and less effort. A conveyor moves the pieces away and stacks them neatly, keeping everything organized and ready fast. Clean, efficient, and built for real work. There's something timeless about the rhythm of splitting wood. This machine keeps that tradition alive while adding modern efficiency. Heavy logs go in, clean splits come out, steady, controlled, no rush, no struggle. Just solid work made smoother. A modern upgrade to a classic craft. This log splitter relies on pure mechanical leverage, not brute force. One pull on the arm, and twisted hardwood gives way cleanly. No hydraulics to fail, no overload noise, just steady, controlled power. Perfect for cold weather work where reliability matters most. Ever wonder what handles branches up to 10 centimeters thick without slowing down? This homemade chipper feeds multiple pieces at once, adjusts size, and runs smoothly thanks to smart design. Strong output, ready for any yard job. This hydraulic wood splitter delivers clean power with full control. A solid frame guides every push, keeping splits steady and efficient. Add a little bracing, and it runs even smoother. Simple, powerful, and built to handle serious wood without trouble. This machine doesn't just cut logs, it turns the entire process into a smooth flow. Load the log, the blade delivers controlled cuts with less effort and waste. The conveyor moves and stacks each piece neatly, keeping everything organized and ready for work. This homemade mini sawmill turns rough logs into clean square beams with steady precision. Simple setup, low cost, and full control over every cut. It's the kind of build that pays for itself piece by piece, project by project, while giving you the satisfaction of doing it your way. Tired of the same old workflow? Meet the 50/80 splitter, pure innovation in firewood processing. Mounted on a front loader, it delivers unmatched control and power. Add the optional log lifter, and your back will thank you. Handling logs up to 880 millimeters in diameter, this beast makes trailer loading effortless. A 28-inch bandsaw with conveyor rips through logs like clockwork. Fast, aggressive, and built to keep your winter wood supply moving. This hydraulic splitter is built for real work. Big rounds, twisted grain, frozen logs, it doesn't hesitate. Smooth electric pressure, no wasted motion, and no time for playing around when there's a pile to break down. This machine shows up and gets it done, all day. This debarking setup is built for serious output. Each strip peels thick layers cleanly, keeping logs smooth and ready for shaping. Hydraulics stay steady, the frame holds firm, and speed never sacrifices durability. Consistent results, that's what real production looks like. This custom setup on a material handler gets the job done fast. More power comes with higher fuel appetite, so finding the sweet spot between strength and efficiency makes a real difference to your wallet and your workflow. A chain and bungee setup keeps every piece exactly where it should be. No chasing wood, no wasted swings, just clean, controlled strikes. Smart physics at work, less effort, more output. Perfect for anything, a foot wide or bigger. Step in, line it up, and let the axe do what it was built to do. Skipping safety gear like helmets, goggles, or chaps leaves no margin for error. Risky moves like this can lead to serious injury or worse. This time, they walked away unharmed, but safety should never be optional. This cylindrical wood shredder doesn't play around. No blades, no finesse, just raw spiral torque. It grabs twisted logs and rips them apart like nothing. Brutal, effective, built to dominate. First run with the DR Fastfire K10 on a simple pallet stand and it delivers. Fast cycling, smooth push, no struggle on seasoned logs. Setup takes minutes, maybe add some bracing later, but for instant performance, it's impressive. This homemade firewood processor doesn't need to look fancy to work. It feeds, cuts, and sends wood down the line effortlessly. Pure function built by someone who understands what really matters. Speed, control, and consistency. Proof that good design lives in real work, not price tags.